Hi everyone, welcome to the Beth Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my recipe for delicious fried chicken with homemade hot sauce. This wing recipe I specially made for Sunday Super Bowl. The Beth Kitchen fly with the eagle. To support our team, I make green hot sauce and guarantee it's delicious. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word Show More or a small drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Now, let's get started. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. You will need 2 eggs whites, half of the onions, about 150 grams, and 80 grams of tapioca starch. Cut onion into 8 pieces. Add to the food processor and finely chop. Now add the seasoning, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. 2 egg whites. Then blend everything well together. Now pour over chicken wings. Slowly mix in tapioca starch. When you finish all the tapioca starch, then cover the wings. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for overnight. One hour before cooking, mix it well together. Then set it aside. Into a large bowl, combine 80 grams of all-purpose flour and 33 grams of tapioca starch. If you don't have tapioca starch, you can use cornstarch. Stir well to combine. Then add few pieces of wings. Toss well. Then tap it down to remove all excess flour. Place on baking pan that lined with parchment paper. Then let the wings sit for 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to make hot sauce. Here I have 100 grams of onion, 55 grams of serrano pepper, 15 grams of garlic, 10 minced leaves, and a small handful of baby spinach. Smash and remove the garlic skin and chop roughly. Cut onion into small pieces. Slice the pepper. and remove minced leaf from the stem. Into a small saucepan, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add garlic and onions. Saute for 3 minutes on medium-high heat until it has a nice aroma and soft. Then add pepper. Saute for 2 minutes, just until it's slightly soft and still have a nice green color. Now remove from heat. Add everything into the blender. Add mince, spinach, two tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. If you don't have this, you can substitute with honey. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and last is 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Put the lid on and blend it until it's smooth. Now you have homemade delicious hot sauce. It's perfect balance of sweet and spiciness with beautiful mint flavor. Now it's time to cook the wings. Preheated oven to broil. Position oven rack at the second lowest shelf. Broil it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to deep fry the wings, but you still can continue to cook the wing in the oven. Just flip the wing to the other side. Adjust oven temperature down to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's nice golden brown. I deep fry my wings because this will serve at Super Bowl party. It's special day. The first 5 minutes, fry the wing at medium heat. Oil temperature around 350 degrees. After 5 minutes, increase the temperature up to medium-high and fry for 6 to 7 minutes or until it's nice golden brown. Remove the wings from the oil and place it on a tray that lined with paper towels to absorb all the excess oil. Look at its color. It's so beautiful and so crispy. This recipe will serve 4 to 5 people as appetizer, but I recommend you to make extra because it will go fast. We want everyone to be happy. I like to serve it separately instead of toss them all together. So whoever wishes to have it less spicy or like it crazy spicy will enjoy it. Add few slices of pepper to let other people know this sauce is very spicy. I hope you will give this recipe a try. The meat is moist and delicious and so crispy on the outside. I'm sure your family will love it. It's cooked through and very moist. It's so yummy. For more easy, delicious, and printable recipes, please visit my website at TheBethKitchen.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting The Beth Kitchen. I hope you have a wonderful day.